in your exam, every person has 3 tests. Randomly, we put 3 tests for each of you. Maybe blood group. We have 4 tests. And randomly, everybody has 3 tests. One of them maybe are blood group typing. Another one is cross-match test. Another one ASO and Wright. These 4 tests. Randomly, you must answer 3 questions. For example, for ABO blood group typing, if your blood group typing is indirect method, as you remember, you have a tube that it contains of ARBC, another one is contained of BRBC, and the serum. And you must detect the ABO blood group that related to this serum. You know, is it necessary to again explain for you on the no? Okay. For direct method, you just have one RBC that it is blind, and you must answer. You must do with anti-A and anti-B, and after that you must report the ABO blood group of this RBC. Just and by based on all of the materials that you have on your bench, you must at the beginning you must guess which method you must do. For example, direct or indirect. If you have anti-A and anti-B on your bench, it is direct. If you don't have, it is indirect. You must mention, and after that, start your work, and after that, you must write the type of the ABO blood group and write why. For example, you write for me the ABO blood group is A. You must explain completely why A. Okay? For cross-match, you have 3 tests. We have done it already, and now it is prepared. You just read the conclusion, and after that, report for us. Is it which of them is negative and which of them is positive?
Okay.
Just please pay attention. At the beginning, you must very slowly. You must shake it. If you see something like this, particles in the tube, it means that you have agglutination, so it is positive. For example, the IDC is now positive. Again, I shake another one gently. It is positive, and it is negative. See, you don't see any particle. It is red, but you don't have any particle. So the RT is negative. Albumin is positive. IDC is positive. It means that for IgM, they are compatible with each other. You don't have any contamination here. But for complete and incomplete IgG, they are incompatible because you have some reaction, because I see some agglutination particles. You must explain all of these. So are they compatible or incompatible? I mean the donor and recipient, they are incompatible. You must mention all of these notes in your paper sheet, and after just it. This is for cross-match, for ABO blood group. And above, there is some tubes there, I think. Right test. Again, I shake it gently, each tube. You see?
Okay,
You can see some very small particles. It is positive.
Okay.
Again, 2.
Yes,
It is
Positive.
positive.
3
3,
negative.
negative.
Negative?
Yes. You cannot see. You cannot see
Also
any
negative.
particle. Again, it is negative, and it is negative.
Also.
So, what is the titer? The last tube that you see the agglutination. It is the
Second one.
second one. This is the second one. The titer is 20, 40, 80, 160, 320. So the titer is 40. Is it patient or healthy?
Healthy.
Forget about the endemic and non-endemic. Just report the titer, and after that you write for me on your paper. Is he or she patient or healthy? Just forget about endemic and non-endemic. And about ISO, my colleagues is preparing some tubes for you, and after that I show you the ISO. And just it. Any question?
Yes.